In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into CapCut on Windows PC. First, open CapCut in your web browser. Any modern browser on your Windows PC will work. Head to the official CapCut website and give the page a moment to fully load. Waiting for the home screen to finish loading ensures all the buttons and links you need appear correctly, which makes the next steps smoother. Once the home screen is ready, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll either see a button that says Login or an account icon. They both take you to the same place, so click whichever you see. This opens the sign-in options. Now you'll choose how you want to log in. CapCut supports several methods, including Google, Facebook, TikTok, Apple, email with a password, and phone number. Pick the method you normally use on your phone. Using the same sign-in you use on mobile helps CapCut sync your projects and settings across devices, so your drafts and edits can follow you from phone to PC without extra work. After you pick your sign-in method, confirm your account. If you choose Google, select the Gmail account you use with CapCut. For Facebook, click Continue and follow the prompt. If you choose TikTok, authorize the connection when asked so CapCut can verify your account. If you prefer email, CapCut will send a one-time code to your inbox. Enter that code to complete sign-in. And if you select phone number, you'll receive a code by text message. Type that in to confirm. Codes may take a few seconds to arrive, and they can occasionally land in your spam or junk folder, so keep an eye there if you don't see them right away. Make sure you enter the code promptly to avoid it expiring. When your account is confirmed, you'll be logged in immediately. You'll know it worked if the top right corner shows your account or profile area instead of the login button. At this point, CapCut will sync your content. If you signed in with the same method you use on your phone, your existing projects and cloud drafts should appear, letting you pick up where you left off. This is especially handy if you start edits on mobile and want to fine-tune them on your PC with a larger screen. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut in your browser, wait for the home screen, click Login, choose the sign-in method you use on your phone, and confirm your account. You're ready to edit with your projects synced across devices.